The price of Bitcoin continues to hover around the $10,000 mark. Will we ever break through? There may be some reasons to be bullish. We'll take a look in today's video. Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Command. Today is May 19th of 2020. Bitcoin continues to sit right below the $10,000 mark, but we've continued to have strong price action across the crypto markets. I wanted to just make this quick video to show you what I've been looking at on the Bitcoin charts. None of this should be considered financial advice, just some interesting patterns that are starting to emerge. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart for BTC, looking at this really since early May. I wanted to draw a pattern that's been starting to emerge. This is 4 hours, and let's just draw a couple of lines here. I'll draw this in a different color than anything else I have on here just to give you an idea. So most people have been paying attention to the $10,000 mark right now. So let's just draw a line across the $10,000 mark. And what's been happening since around May 9th, May 10th, is that there's been a pattern of an ascending triangle really starting to form. Not drawing this perfect here, but you guys can get the idea that there's been this nice ascending triangle giving a bullish indication that there may be a bullish pattern starting to emerge. Let's also just add the volume onto this chart so that you can see that in addition to this ascending triangle starting to form, that there's also been some consolidation in volume, and that would be consistent with bullish price action. So this has been encouraging and exciting to see. So this is something that I've been tracking pretty closely here over the past few days to see if there can continue to be momentum in this direction, if we can continue to stay above this ascending line that has started to form support for the price of Bitcoin. You'll see that I also have this blue trend line on here. So let's zoom out a little bit and I'll show you exactly what that is. Let's zoom way out to the weekly chart. I typically like to look at the longer term time frames. Here we are on the weekly chart and looking at going way back to 2017, early 2018, near the all-time highs. I've shown this trend on this channel multiple times before, but this is the long-term trend that the price of Bitcoin has shown, and this has been a long-term point of resistance for BTC. We hit this multiple times across 2019, moving into 2020. What's been interesting here, and I'll just go ahead and remove these lines that I just drew, is that over the past week or so, we have started to move through this resistance line, and we actually closed above it last week, and we're continuing to see upward price movement. We're still right in the middle of this candle that's outside the trend line at this point. We have almost 5 days remaining on this candle, so it's to be seen if we can actually close, open and close above this resistance line. But right now, this is pretty exciting to see, can we really hold this and stay above what is at least one point of resistance. Of course, the round number of 10,000 is the big one that people have also been watching. Let's also just zoom into the daily chart, because I think this is also pretty encouraging to see what's happening here. And that is that over the past few days, we've had multiple green candles moving us through this resistance line. So we've had over 4 days close in the upward direction, in the bullish direction. This red candle is just opened. We still have 22 hours left here. But this movement, if we continue to see this trend, I think we may have actually seen the breakthrough of this resistance line, that we have never seen a pattern like this over the past two plus years. If you zoom way back, while we have moved through this line multiple times on the daily, we've never had multiple days in succession quite like this, where we've moved through and continue in a continuous bullish pattern to see the breakout here. So I think I'm looking at a combination of both near-term price action, this ascending triangle that's forming on the 4-hour chart. Certainly, you can start to draw something like that in on the daily chart as well. And if that continues to hold, it could be a really positive indicator for the price of Bitcoin. So I think that is exciting to follow. Also curious what you guys are watching most closely. Please let me know in the comments below. And certainly if you find this video helpful, please give it a like. It definitely helps the channel out. And let me know if you like seeing this type of content. Either give this a thumbs up to indicate that, or let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see more content like this. Also, subscribe to the channel. We'll definitely be putting out more videos like this in the near term. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you tuning in, and until next time, keep stacking those coins.